So we're in Georgetown in Guyana. The good news is I found a place that can replace my tires. The bad thing is they are not qualified to take the wheels off. They only do tires basically. So anyway, they're now calling another garage to see if they can take the wheels off and back in again, and then go from there. All right, it's all gonna work. I found a place that's gonna take my wheels off, and then the other place is gonna put the tires on, swap them out, and then the first place is gonna put my tires back on. There's always a solution to any problem. All right, time to go for a walk with this baby. To get the first one changed, and then we get the second one changed. So I'm here in Guyana, in Georgetown.
RRT Enterprise.
And these are the guys, what is the company name?
RRT Enterprise.
And what do you guys do?
Tire mechanic.
Tires. On bikes, on cars, you name it. And these guys just helped me at a moment's notice. And nice. Thank you very much. Especially the master technician here that put the tires on here. Thank you guys. All right, the knobbies are on. Drives a little bit differently from what I've been used to. These are very aggressive tires. And what I didn't mention yet is those two companies that end up helping me to replace the tire and take the wheels out. None of them actually charged me anything. How cool is that? They don't know me, this is the first time I'm here. But they helped me out. They each spend an hour's work or whatever, and did not charge me anything. So, to celebrate that, we are going to have a GT and a Banks beer, which are Guyana beers. So let's try that out. Cheers, guys. All right, so we're ready to get going. Almost, because, yeah, and we're still at road. Off-road is going to happen later today, and if it rains like this there too, well, you know what that's going to mean. Yeah. Cool. So here's the bike. We just survived this rain cloud. Well, we just hid from it, but these are the kind of puddles that we're dealing with. And this is asphalt. So off we go. And by the way, did I mention that the two guys that I got to help my bike yesterday to get the tires replaced, both of them did not charge anything. How cool is that? They just wanted to help. So we are at a sort of a midland immigration stop. And there's someone campaigning for something. This truck had the music on as well earlier. It was like a loud nightclub right over here. So anyway. All right, so the fun is gonna begin very shortly here today. It is about 10, 11 o'clock and we have 450 kilometers of off-road to do. And this is not actually where it started yet. This is just a highway under construction. And we're riding on the illegal part. Supposed to be riding over there, and in about 5-6 kilometers it will really start. So let's see how it goes. Well, it's interesting. We've been riding on a lot of this kind of fun stuff. And I've been lucky because you can tell that it just rained here, but fortunately before I got here. So yeah, what can you do? My friend the quad is coming this way again. Just taking a little break and then I'll continue on. Well, that was kind of fun. They say bridge is under repair or under construction. Really? That's what it looks like. I was trying to actually film with my GoPro and my GoPro fell because I needed both my hands, obviously, to get through this stuff. Anyway, off we go. But I got through there and I filmed it. So I'll have to show you. That was fun. You see these puddles here and this guy here. You think, oh, just a little bit of water, but it is I don't know, almost a meter deep, I think. So it's actually pretty crazy. Well, as if it's not intense enough, it's starting to rain, so hopefully it's not going to be too crazy. But we're kind of in it to win it right now, so yeah, let's go. Hopefully it'll stop quickly. Well, we found a little spot underneath some trees because I think this might be just some pretty bad rain coming here just for a few minutes. Hopefully that's the case, and then just kind of wait it out. It's very warm, so I don't really want to put my rain gear on, but if I have to, that's what I have to do. Let's see how it goes. You know what the downside is of carrying spare tires? That when you go through deep water, they fill up. Made it. Well, halfway anyway. We're in a little place called Kurupukari, which is we're about 300 kilometers away from Georgetown, and so about 200 kilometers in off-road, and we have about 200 kilometers more to go. You see my bike over there with the rain gear drying, and there's a KTM over my other shoulder from a German traveler named Thorsten, who's been riding here from Chile. Possibly more on that later. But this is the only hotel here, and once I cross the ferry we have to go another couple hours to find the next hotel, so that's why I obviously stayed here last night. And yeah, let me show you a bit. So there's Hotel de Track. The owner's son is a racing champion. That's why that's called what it is. Now that's the direction that we're going. I already went there because the ferry is just a kilometer down the road. And there's the neighbors, and this is the way that we came from. As you can see, there's a lot of water flowing. It's rained last just a few hours ago. But Hotel de Track. And as you can see, the bike has endured a lot of dirt. It's no longer triple black, it's triple brown right now. And pretty sure the license plate is not that legible anymore.